Imagine a vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, stretching endlessly, a liquid canvas painted in endless shades of blue, deep enough to seem infinite, mysterious enough to unsettle even the most seasoned sailors. Somewhere within this boundless sea lies a triangle, its corners connecting Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, forming a geometric shape that has become synonymous with disappearance, mystery, and human fascination. Here, in this seemingly ordinary stretch of water, the very fabric of reality appears to falter. Compasses spin inexplicably, vessels vanish without trace, aircraft lose all contact with the world, swallowed by a space that defies explanation. The Bermuda Triangle is not merely a location, it is a phenomenon, a riddle written across the ocean, challenging our understanding of physics, nature, and the human psyche. The first whispers of the triangle reach back centuries, though early sailors would never have used the term. They spoke of strange lights appearing in the night sky, sudden squalls rising from calm waters, and navigational instruments behaving erratically. Legends tell of ghost ships appearing briefly on the horizon, only to vanish as mysteriously as they appeared, leaving behind an unsettling silence. Among the earliest modern incidents that captured widespread attention was the disappearance of the USS Cyclops in 1918, a massive naval cargo ship carrying over 300 men and a full load of manganese ore. It vanished without sending a distress call. Despite extensive searches, not a single piece of wreckage was ever found. This absence, this total silence in the face of such a colossal disappearance, planted the seed of a narrative that would grow to envelop countless other stories. The 20th century amplified these mysteries. Perhaps the most famous was Flight 19, five Navy torpedo bombers on a routine training mission in December 1945. Pilots reported strange navigational problems, instruments spinning wildly, and a sense of disorientation unlike anything they had experienced. One by one, the planes vanished, never to be seen again. The rescue planes sent to find them also disappeared, as if the triangle had claimed not only the initial travelers, but those who sought to uncover the truth. These events have been repeated in various forms over decades. The Carol A. Deering, the disappearance of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, and countless smaller, often unrecorded incidents involving private yachts and cargo ships. The triangle seems to act as both stage and storyteller, weaving a narrative of fear and fascination that refuses to fade. Scientists have sought explanations grounded in reason and observation. They note that the region is prone to sudden, violent storms, waterspouts, and hurricanes. The Gulf Stream, one of the most powerful ocean currents on the planet, moves with enormous force and unpredictability, capable of overwhelming ships in moments. Magnetic anomalies have been studied extensively, showing localized variations that could interfere with compasses and navigation systems. Other research points to the presence of massive deposits of methane hydrate beneath the ocean floor. If these deposits were to erupt suddenly, releasing bubbles of gas, the density of the water would decrease so rapidly that vessels might sink almost instantly. And yet, despite all these theories, there remain anomalies that defy explanation. Electronic instruments fail, radio signals disappear, pilots report sudden fogs, and witnesses see strange lights and phenomena. Science can explain much, but it does not explain all. The triangle has also given rise to speculative theories that stretch the boundaries of imagination. Some suggest it is a portal, a region where the fabric of space and time is distorted. Here, past, present, and future may overlap, creating loops and anomalies in temporal perception. Witnesses have described clocks behaving erratically, minutes stretching into hours, and memories of events that seem displaced in time. Others speculate about ancient civilizations, lost technologies, or remnants of Atlantis influencing the region. Could there be energy fields or unknown forces at play, invisible to human perception, but capable of altering the physical world? Some suggest extraterrestrial involvement, abducting vessels into dimensions beyond our comprehension. While these ideas may seem fantastical, they reveal something fundamental about humanity: our need to confront the unknown, to find meaning in mystery, and to imagine forces beyond our control. The human fascination with the triangle is not solely about fear. It is about the quest to understand, to probe boundaries, to challenge the limits of knowledge. Explorers and scientists venture into these waters with courage, seeking to chart, measure, and comprehend what resists understanding. Yet the ocean is not passive. It has moods, histories, and memories stretching back millions of years. To navigate the triangle is to enter a living, breathing entity, a space where technology and logic often falter, where chaos and uncertainty are the primary forces. Each expedition becomes an encounter with the unknown, a dialogue between human curiosity and the vast, indifferent ocean. Consider the case of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a tanker carrying molten sulfur which disappeared in 1963. Witnesses reported strange weather conditions and unexplained lights near the site. Despite extensive searches, only fragments were found, leaving questions about the precise circumstances of its loss. Or the Carol A. Deering, discovered abandoned off the coast of North Carolina in 1921, with lifeboats missing and cargo intact, raising questions that still remain unanswered. These stories create a tapestry of mystery, blending factual record with human imagination, challenging the boundary between the known and the unknown. Time itself, it seems, behaves differently within the triangle. Pilots and sailors have reported feeling as though time slows or accelerates, as if the ocean manipulates perception. Some theorists suggest gravitational anomalies or disruptions in Earth's electromagnetic field could distort time locally, while others propose more speculative ideas: localized pockets where time folds upon itself, creating loops that capture vessels in a temporary limbo. Whether this is metaphorical, psychological, or physical, it adds an entirely new layer to the mystery, suggesting that the triangle is not merely a geographic location, but a region where reality itself is questioned. And yet, amid the fear and speculation, the Bermuda Triangle exerts a magnetic allure. It calls to those who seek adventure, knowledge, and the thrill of confronting the unknown. Every expedition, every attempt at navigation becomes an intimate dialogue with the ocean's power and unpredictability. The triangle tests human ingenuity, courage, and perception, reminding us that mastery over nature is often illusory. The forces that govern the sea are ancient, immense, and indifferent to human concerns. Within the triangle, these forces are amplified, a crucible for human curiosity and resilience. Modern technology has illuminated many mysteries of the oceans, yet the triangle retains its enigmatic character. Satellite tracking, sonar mapping, and precise navigation tools reveal much about the seafloor, currents, and weather patterns, but anomalies persist. Vessels continue to disappear. Electronic malfunctions continue to confound. Pilots continue to report disorientation. The triangle refuses to yield completely to human understanding, as if it is a deliberate space set aside by the universe to remind us of our limits. Philosophically, the Bermuda Triangle challenges our assumptions about certainty, control, and comprehension. It represents the tension between human rationality and the vast, chaotic forces of nature. Each disappearance, each anomaly, is a confrontation with our own fragility, a reminder that knowledge is provisional and understanding is never complete. The triangle is a mirror, reflecting not only the mysteries of the sea, but the mysteries within us, our fears, our curiosity, and our longing to transcend limitations. Every story from the Triangle, from the Cyclops to Flight 19, from the Carol A. Deering to the Mary Celeste, speaks to a deeper truth. The universe contains phenomena that evade neat categorization. These events compel us to question what is possible, to expand the boundaries of imagination, and to accept that some mysteries may remain unresolved. And yet this acceptance is not resignation. It is an invitation, a challenge to continue exploring, measuring, observing, and imagining. The Bermuda Triangle endures because it embodies duality, danger and fascination, fear and curiosity, science and myth. It is a space where the known and unknown coexist, where empirical investigation meets legend, and where the human mind encounters forces beyond its full comprehension. It is simultaneously terrifying and alluring, a paradox that reflects the complexity of the universe itself. In the end, the Bermuda Triangle is more than a patch of ocean. It is a narrative, a living story, written across waves, currents, and winds. It is a testament to the human spirit, our unending desire to explore, to question, and to confront the unknown. It reminds us that mystery is not a void to be feared, but a horizon to be approached with courage, wonder, and respect. The triangle calls to us not only to understand the ocean, but to understand ourselves, our limitations, and our boundless potential for curiosity and discovery. So when you think of the Bermuda Triangle, do not see only fear. See a challenge, see a lesson, see an eternal invitation to venture beyond certainty, to explore what lies hidden beneath the waves, and to encounter the profound truth that the universe is far greater, stranger, and more magnificent than we can ever fully grasp. And in facing it, we face not only the ocean, but the infinite possibilities within ourselves.